What's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Yes, sir. Hey, man, we up to 410 subscribers from the time of this recording. You feel me? And look, from the title, y'all see what today's video is about. Yes, sir. So y'all seen, man, I moved it up. So when I kinda test drove it, well, I did test drive it. I drove it, and when I hit the brakes for one wasn't going all the way to the floor. But when it did hit the brake, it pulled to the right. So I ended up taking the brake line off. You feel me? And I was hitting the pedal, and I seen that the pedal went all the way to the floor. So I tried the other side. Took the rubber hose off, pushed the brake, and went all the way to the floor, and the fluid came out the hard line. So the problem is, both of these lines are clogged up. So I don't know if it's going to be either tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be tomorrow or sometime this week, man. Depending on how the price looking for the lines, bro, I'm gonna go on and order some of those either online or in the store if it's in the store, and put them on the same day. But yeah, man, I was gonna record me taking it off and doing everything, but I had forgot, man. So after I do that, I'm gonna check the rib brakes. Now, the good news is it's two, oh snap, it's two reservoirs, as y'all can see. Well, it's one reservoir, but two, you know what I'm saying, spots. And if I can do it with one hand, as y'all can see, it's no fluid in there. So yeah, before I do that, man, I'm gonna put the fluid in that side, hit the brakes, and see is it gonna work. E-brake don't work neither, but I'm pretty sure I know what that is. That's gonna be the emergency brake. So yeah, man, that's just to catch y'all up what I was doing today. And you know, man, I'm gonna have to transition to the next day of me putting the line on. You feel me? Yes, sir. It's been like a week, Saturday. So yeah, I think I ordered last Saturday or Monday, something like that. But yeah, man, got my brake lines. Yes, sir. Got these brakes. We about to get to work. You feel me? Got that line on. Gotta do the same thing on the other side, but this is already on there. The thing I gotta do is just connect the line. I gotta push back the brake caliber on the other side, so I'm gonna go on and finish this side, then I'll do the other side. Alright, y'all see I'm finally done with the front at least. I'm fixing my e-brake now. Man, the brakes is like, they too good. I'm a little scared. Apply brakes just a little bit, the bit don't stop. But working on the e-brake. Okay, we got better lighting on this side. Now, I ain't do this side yet. The e-brake is already engaged. Now I'm gonna show y'all. See how that's spinning? Like I said, it's engaged. So, show y'all how I'm finna finesse this. Alright, so on this side, I had to push down. But as y'all see, it's not spinning. You feel me? E-brake. Pull it, lever. Look at that. This little gear for the passenger side, you push up. On the driver's side, you push the gear down. So, one more time before I put everything on. You feel me? This with e-brake off. Alright, push to the floor. Boom. It's not all the way down. Alright, now it's down. There we go. Boom. Now I'm finna crank it up and we're gonna go from there. So man, as y'all see, truck has moved. I drove it, everything, man. She came back nice. It sound good. Like I said, man, that the clutch, I don't know if I gotta readjust the screws, the mixer screws for the gas, or I gotta figure out, you know, what's up with the clutch and whatnot. Yeah, man, until next time, if y'all like the video, y'all want to keep up with the build, man, y'all got to subscribe, y'all got to comment, tell me what y'all think. And man, we going up. Like, this is the beginning. You feel me? I'm out.